Ema samsa.
Mo serve wa ban we mu no. Mo say the way aye bom abaso. Ye kam asem de. Bra ukojimi a. Obia me kan kire me say captain nye. E kan okure na kire wo. Men kan kire me say me nye. Say the ye bom abaso and uti captain. And uti captain. You. No problem. Abasobono ba ye de be ma wo. Na mum ye careful. Munye careful. Ade bia wo ye bia ne mpacho fa adwen to ho. No metu a meka ne se ahomaso no abasoro ntem dodo. Ma homaso no mumu bi no mu de ahya ase ntem dodo. We are monitoring and watching. Eje grown emo bia mfro bia phone. One of the greatest man in the NDC or say on when you yama mranti and nko obetech there to for some PR and I fay me aminu abema Hopeson adoye ewa ha yebedi nkomo bi na next week ikono ye be share say adwuma na say o man na necessary ye ne ye akra ma che bibi aboko
ya captain ye bibi aboko de is mentanya dam but he is mamenye
okay
kusanda se we wutri na anka mo hwia we wutri bon
okay
last week me bahan ohin mo ntwa mo bofom we mete
e bofom
na me gwa na metina dem na mo ya ayi shem de bebe na studio ha
wasa
onia FM onia station kakraba
onia TV
onia station kakraba you see if you are a studio construction now in the corporate image or the comfortability of your studio guest you also contribute at least 30% to your show so that so comfort kakra when gonna do what need the maintain the mat it's not the best. It's not the best for your reputation. This station studio only be 5 years, but it's the topmost. That's why Kubiti Dami, neither be a Miobiara, but may decided though, say station your more or Boma Ghana Kosoda, in Ayamosu. Then one more sitting arrangement in a table arrangement. You know, say, my meeting me, the much from Nessa Dami Adama, you are disturbing my spine. It's not the best. It's Mr. One. What should we be knowing your studio here?
Mozikan ye pachode last week in Bofum. Moto de being impaying faber may sure that Wabe.
You know, your politician in the pipeline.
In the pipeline, Mr. Newman is not like that.
Mr. Newman, one friend, mom.
Auntie, Mr. Newman, please come. Why?
One friend, mom.
One friend, mom. Over.
We were raising Jamaica's or more or can obey minister. Eti walk more cano. As is some way said John Mahama, walk can you know or ye. And to more cane. As is some way. Next week, ever had no more ye. Near the boss, I know no dear mammo.
Ayo, bye, my busy, Hima o makumemu Fendi agro cry. Anyway, that's it. I can need to say budget to the Bibia.
Ben cheap no more.
No. No, you.
I'm your own chairman, Grancy, I shall say.
Hey, sorry. That's how I said and say good morning.
One chair me.
Minia matching. Woman, Unia
matching, sir. Sabi bia bokode.
Who says I don't cover co trust fund though?
What's more bapa o?
Oh, Mr. T last year or so. Okoko to kura.
Tio. Vaco hono no. Vaco trust fund. Sir Kevin Yeboano. As a sabanyi etimi so numu investigating well. So the nipa what didn't go allegedly no Captain Koda and didn't go na ocean yamba koso wo ha Agrisampiale may say Mahama should not disappoint the people of this country. Now
what do you call
no
you call trust Omanya Bakau. I would do go to national security.
That be me appointment to present.
Chapter. Anya there NDC intra. Na ehwe it's you hunamon aswane chow.
Okay.
I carve an image for yourself against corruption. That's the image you have carved for yourself. Despite that now you were in a bad party, but you've carved an image for yourself there. A man no here. In a security so here. It's my kind of down which naka to go to. And then that's where you fit. Despite the fact that any NDC, I mean, you be around me and catch one phone call national security. No koboa, chida baby ha. Nkrofu wire boni pin na akona po bo mo manen ejina. That's what I tell you.
I give me that say. Na metima ye private yin so. Na me information no mamo na mo yo eti Kevin no. One who say dia ma akoso wo honom. Na captain 2023 honom adam bi hu say we start is a fighting. Won say guy no wo ye expose na no bia na for kwache no.
Oh omoche no.
Omoche no. Na president mo wo north. Captain Koda free north ebebele guy no. Obia ya ye expose say ya che no. Ye beli na no no. Watena office honum up to today.
Maybe I don't understand why he's still there though.
Today. But honum na Mimia. Mama disappoint you. The way I'm going to take you off, no, you good. But someone shared the fight against corruption now. Hey, Mube Kapota, Mube Yeden, a baby before. So, eti between Abana Unisiso, Yabesha Basu Yepa. Na me fan chance so maubia. Say, Odim say, the oracle man is here today. Na, Niame Kosuinano. Ye di achire sa 14 days a year mo betu o chebi cemetery na ngosi aga and na 5th day mo be 14 days na ngosi aga me Hopeson what the people come to me say we are sorry thank you kwa koya we say dani abaye so no hey ofa obi abra anya djuma I am saying here today obo free consultation
anyway Accra budget another na e wo
Akura Captain budget ni na here paragraph 25 actually there budget here kenkani oye yokro apro ni na yeshi amrensie ni na yeshi nkatesie ni na yeshi gomzufu ni na asama wakanyin na ya bonu pofa na ya kade yede ye budget option in there ye throw manifesto no ye kade ye people's consultations is young stakeholder engagement nem people so ye mi answer nche abanchina ban ye ko round e ka jinkrofo adwen and our argument was that e keep power nezen e konkrofo e ka ji one thumbprint na say ehwa adwen na de bubo mana enketi e mano so na adwen kire Tamari Regional Minister interviewing. I do go back to the Professor Moss. God bless you. Youth. Youth. One more than you.
Oh, that yeah, madam.
Wait, you know, I do no more.
Papa, answer the Katie Amon.
Because it's every woman, me environment are different from today.
Sir.
So let the youth take their own steps, make their own mistakes, and build their own experiences. That's my belief. You don't put new wine in old bottles. Yanidi, I'm afraid we know you know ya 10. Yansu paying for age more. The Yokoran in Nina, you won't there. we came to one conclusion there. A government is to solve the problem of the people. You don't make the problems worse.
Yes.
A being biara who targeting the ever satisfy IMF and the foreign donors, you are going to get it wrong.
Yes.
Because IMF and the World Bank and Akobabosa, while you are ever for that, every two was Canada, is that more. It's a be a close industry. Now, workers in Kofi, I mean, you scale a bit to a count. So, any government that chases GDP will fall. A bend will be chasing GDP will fall. Rather, for policies are Obama Ghana for when you want it. Policies are Obama Ghana for one. Ah, ebe, Captain, send there. I will find you everywhere crassy. There is sending Sika Kakra. Sikana, I will share the confirm doing, or whether you should be sick home. I'm what's what you want to do. This is not a policy. Oh my Ghana for Paumakam. Yakaya, hey, na, but we Mianam fa, Apostle Joseph, no sunamfa, Guy Jesus, no sunamfa,
Guy Jesus.
Ma, coach Bible pina. I shall fight. Okay.
Hey, Uncle.
Take one from your friend.
Can you frata?
You.
Oh no, Guy Jesus.
Jesus.
Once I'm not Jesus, white.
Take one from your friend. Guy Jesus. No budget to go buried, you know. Yet, say a quite chap around him. I can come here for no. Or we'll go to Bible now. About Kakam Yabopan. No, Vanaba started someone. No, damn far. No, you live in a Obama Ghana Jumaba. You live in Obey a day. You live in a Chibefi, who are Chibefi, or get a megaphone, you know. NDC from Pedagana, or Yanchin was you know you live. Captain, Sir Adza, and paying a fool, what's in a fool woman, about Fabrinesra, as if the NDC Yumba Banada. You can't. Chano Pamno, and NDC fool, a MP before, why hon, or born Bangarat Magogufi. Adza, NPP fire what are against Yancy baby. Yan yet da. NDC ye would be ya there. I saw Bomagana cordon, ye bay. Share betting tax, mean the betting. What more from what I mean in flow? More from what to bet, what I mean in flow.
No, sure.
Oh, Sunday, Captain, was or an apa. We'll go long, I bet you, the whole day, Obialam Pom friend, it may be a bampono, bush on them yet. Or Tinafa grad, it's at the same thing, Obey then, that's all you're in his hospital. Another, no baby saw I call one so or the hospital. That's a one case of you, man, worry. Oh, a German catching computer one another be. One more be alone. One will be an easy go. I have betting. Oh, I say, change, second for Bentino over there, a tax one. Now, Captain.
Yes, Uncle.
I will yanqua. Catch and the Kamwa. A Chevy that was some name. Only a Chevian. Former a finance minister. Only a Chevian. Now we'll go, Muhammad Nimase.
Oh,
yes. As a minister of finance, and you made that betting taxi, what the parliament budget law, and I'm with you. No, what start to implement. Figures said what did not age no Yanji betting taxi. The Sanji betting tax or then about me so good to me. You know, I can trada or Sunday, or a budget to other Ekemi, I can tell you. And on in front of the number more ye may need more ye may need Sonny day. Yamba get you for education completely. Educational completely. One gather Oluches come a free SHS keke. Also, primary preschool nina wa fa kawa akosi sabi wona wage dam nala wa fa ho kaw be ho adwuma tax ndi etua no option ye tua tax dey won fa mba ya ho ban won fa mba ya ho bra anam bo bia ese me tua tax na say mo ho rechirima na nya be no wo Scandinavian countries now they are living in comfort because the government uses the tax not about one bang yes the tax are they actually first Land Cruiser. And me advert be there. Land Cruiser is the bane of African economics. Land Cruiser is the bane of Africa. It's one vehicle. Why Mempeda must stay branded, but African leaders biya wa ba fesa odo ko to land cruises that we wa mama you find a limited edition poem you no twinche ya le hwe aza odi development odi beba omanim na any development that doesn't carry people along in on your development, so you can record it. Oh, make GDP cost so. Then, if you analyze the GDP now, also cost now, what is the qualitative GDP? You can have high GDP, not unemployment. Unemployment is also high. So that GDP, in any case, captain, Ghana yen GDP or yenda, Ghana yen GDP or yenda. All the industries are being owned by the foreigners. Any the MTN for year one dividends, 5 billion. We declare 5 billion on Wednesday, Thursday morning, Odoko, South Africa. So if you are recording GDP that high, now or a foreign owner, no, GDP. We want to reset this country. We want to reset this country there. Osaji fujayan one. Sabi, ya bufum, but over yes sir. And Mahama has the duty, has the chance, has the responsibility to fail Ghana or to reconstruct Ghana. But so far, so good. Munda azia Mahama riye biara oyaza orma omanen afane tampa efra. Ye nyina ye de ahoden ye mpaebo e de beta nature. Na atukura ma hwen de ehu de talent na adwen onye NDC funkoji wesemo. Onye NDC funkoji wesemo. Inti ye be ya economic forum wo Accra hayala. As usual, MPP ko compound to be mo. Because one ever been put on the back Wamba. But there are very good people in other political parties. And then I would say, my brother, Professor Kosa, CPP. The CPP now, one for one game bob NDC, not a man and uncle. I hope the movement for change from so. We invite you, we invite you, although for conviction, also Baboa, Maganan, Yakon in him. Says I got a way. I two parties state too. Or your sergeant for JB Dankwa. I JB Dankwa. Oh, Debbie, Patton, JB Dankwa. Ah, JB Dankwa. Oh, MPP party no, on your Tolon Nanum, MPP. You for all same for one. Now, young no man and Uncle Captain. Me initiate a contribution. The budget in it. You for time when the Bania start serious in Riba. There are certain aspects of your government Narangaso obey press conferences to explain. I'm a Ghana for no what I say. But for your program, easy. Immediately they be some the program budget not then make the Ogoye Papa. Ogoye. That's we be soon go yesu so. Yebaka.
Hopeson.
Yes.
Budget.
Hey. Wodim me makobi momo sisi asa me check adebi me yemu ahye me
ade
ilevia madua me hwe January me wie January me wie yo now calculation that me yo me timu hey sa me tia tax ogrom hasa hey hwe afena madru January 28 tax a matua wo ahase ya me calculate me timu no e bro 5,000. Hey, I see. Nyangopo nchade. Yeah, free ho. Because we share ye levy 50, 30, 50, 30, and nyande ketwa. Yeah, too much. Na ya better President John Dramani Mahama say wade osiayoyo no wayi eno no e de free ho no. Now, the budget because it's so far so good. Said you can in the Fourth Republic, you know. I think say na ye kano krepa budget budget who say ejina na so e mo akenkan ni ade da form boko bibia course kama 1 hour 40 minutes just what they call ye bibia eto so na eye ojafo Nka 1 hour 40 minutes. Nka 40 minutes inquire Bible quotations.
Jesus.
No 1 hour na at the fufro. But we are who be sir. You see, Africa, yade. Yamisoma katayeni. Ane didi boni. Webe jina ho na se wo kotu. Yina. Say, papa we die. Osro nyame o. Eso ye ka obi a allegedly why you dream power krom ha say ya untimi nsa no ho. Dream in the sense say o sheda ka se me kwa kobobosia me de miami bank e na kwa koye transaction advisors e de keka ho na wo gisika de kwa bank ho no wo ye dream. Wo ye dream na wo staff no akwase o mo aba be go ministry honum say omo and the yes ade we ni atua commission bafu ni de amomo wo ye dream enti madam Fubi former NIB MD bank na say na make anya security there no wasi oti wo hu bi bia wo hye white asro
but the NIB na say any yesesa
me say omo revert to the old name BNI NIB no grandma man for grandsu ya gaze de obi ko NIB gra won sro biom
asa wo ko bank
it should be BNI omo restore the name BNI so eti sabe mani nyina ekoso e wo kroma say me what I have seen any propaganda no mo yetia eye President Mahama awati magina na so number 1 free SHS me ko ye campaign wo Asante region bebre ana omo concern na bede ye change aba na bede na ye nkola yako school yeso omo beko President Mahama mo hu say na ye propaganda ana na MPP for no eye de kire omo ene nkola da didie mu kra aye den asesa ba hu video su bia ne na mo a akola edidi nkola ni didi no obi akosua mienu gu omode ane so wa hu bizada yesterday free SHS wa hu bizada se kosua mienu eda akola bi ane so from Akufo Addo pese wa hu bi da na nu ya jo Mahama baye ya sha se ehu so etino chese eya dia watimi atwin krofo adwena firi so amagana fo hu se wo ye nokwafo eno eyebede miama wenumu ye nyina omantima nye nyina no omuso omba ombeden omu ye ni nyina budget yo maridi utimu so ombetimi ayeden aye na before some call into details no one say emre bia se o prepare ho a sabe o kan gwacha sem se wakwako gina pediadim no wa putu kwahye 1 2 boase anwene ho na ubie wa no se wo kasa pa nsema obeka gina sabe jimie kasa nkwa so on ede no now ya present budget ye nyanchi che copies mamu chese what na se tie utia enti se waso ade no mu a wo kenkan hu mutie no susu no dede wom amafo tonwum oka wo beye mo asore na e kan say we are all involved mu to sadwum nyina eti concentration no yeden edi ho so you get it read it and then understand na fi wakasa from inside the corner near organizing press hey aminanta bedie be ade ba kwa I cherish about the Muslims and they say ya no mo ye no kwafo wo Muslim a wonye no kwafo tedidi atra no onye Muslim pa wonim ne ma mi hu sade no yeah Ahmediafo wo mu peni no wo mu koye program bi KTM Kobi no that ana mi hu say kremoni a wo say wo ye no kwafo no won throw what the vice president was saying no we kwa no kokko gina o sabuti se mo kai
okay kan na
was hwe ye nka hu kura ye pa body say ye benya president a Ghana image ayira no ye benya
simple
What papa ni just say o. Be say o ka say na MC no juju na ko man kan se kwa go be hura go wonum no. Kenya se papa. Wo mo ane ye ka na mi anta akoka say che say o mo implement betting tax. O mo implement betting tax. Hey,
I said we did not implement betting
yes
tax, and we did not collect betting tax.
Not only implementation, but
Collection.
Be say sase mu ya wakai Ghana youth Ghana fo nyina mo fa ntumutim mo hu se first no na nkese NDC 4 years sa azamu ka ne say promise pa ada say abano. How can you say that? Ebra mo ankasa mo say ba wumi aka akufo aduntie eti by my president pe betting tax obetwam. That time I work as na amianta ona ye can say finance minister. Ba wumi ya na do cause ye nya finance minister. Eti se ko wini ya nga wo tra ho as finance minister. Now ba be catch Ghana for say more implement betting tax and no should tell you say it should take more than 20 years to trust MPP ABM. Wa mo kasa no mo gina ho no. Hwe Abna Asare. My sister. Wo je interview. No se betting tax no mo de baye no. Enye sika no a omo aban nya no nko a. Na mom at times no. Oh yes. Omo de ba na ye disincentives. Ama nkrofo. Say me kwa kwatwa na e be teme tax de na me ntwakra biem. Eni ade. Wakasa sam we nyina o. Enu anu we nyina ho. I mean antase I implementing no man fans. No man fans. Na say wow. Edi na ekoso yi. Na wo hwe sika abanyinya free taxes yi mu a. Wo yi levia say betting tax to aso. Eti eye den ana wutimi ebeka sesei. Number 2. Ana eye omu ye nyina no. Omo eja sika to especially agenda 111. Omo so muje na muje sika to ho na 4 years. Mwanti manye. 4 good years. Se sika wo ho no mo a hospital na yesi no. Will you take more than 6 months? And take more than 6 months. Sika di honti ana market time up to this time. Eti take it to say, oh, yanti manye abai number na se wo ya. Ye bompa ya hwe se ebekoso. Ye hwe se sika no mu bedi ana se omu di be yadu. Abi uka bibia Ghana fo hu se mo ye no kwafo. Eti no ye be sympathize with you. Na kokko gira hodom na say budget wo ridi ye nyina edi asa na wo kai. Miama okaso be ye nyina first 120 days. Budget na chire abu hu say about 90% there o maye ye be ye sei o mu di ato ye beti ministers so o mate so sadie we ne be ye be yi tax we afi ho o mo aje sadie mani nyina na se ukoko gina enu a wokasa wie egura no wo se enne wo mbe sheda ye a detailed press conference. You are wasting your time.
Debbie, he's not wasting his time. They have shown how
incompetence. Bro, far me use.
You see, these guys, the economic murderers.
That's right.
Seriously.
I'm telling you. Share. Sama kufa I don't know. One says say ba me person be ben bi. Afena ba ho me hu ne samia. Ye kan no person beti. Baba o me ye won awie no. Omo wie no.
They just use you.
On pen be intranyu no. Hwe. One who said omo ye economy no. You see, me the worst thing of the economy no nye betting tax ayira any e-levy ayira. Eye loan contractors. Rollins na only master's degree. No only kwesibotwe ekoji loan abre Ghana, there was not a single contractor.
No.
There was not a single loan contractor. The money, they will go and look for it, sign the deals, the money will come straight. It got to J.A. Kufuor. There was just one contract. The contractor bakubem, Sika, Now we say the various stadiums for CAN 2008. So 0 contractors. The only time I was a bank for me former bank Nisika was when said about bank Ghana Commercial Bank Engunti. Se Sikaneba Endi kind Ghana Commercial Bank before they would transfer to Bank of Ghana. Said about Umusubenya Tefa Kakra at the Abo Ghana Commercial Bank ho bra. To Professor Mills 0. John Mahama 0. Edunana Doswa loan bi obekwa kwajibi and there were 6 contractors. Your legal contractor. Who legal contractor saso loan consultant.
Commercial advisor.
Who saso commercial loan advisor, domestic loan advisor.
Nyina free data bank.
Answer.
Oh. If you legal advisor don't cry your data bank legal advisor. Say security nyina e call just one person. Then what you magu Ghana and Kasa Bank Baku 11.
Plus insurance companies.
Over the years, Ghana State Insurance Corporation.
Yeah.
Every state insurance company. SIC. One are buying Komobesia. Locally, woman insure. And a country now buying a Kojis free no. And a bank now buying a Kojis free no. Insurance companies so hono. I external insurance no for loan na ye kojino. Say SIC wo. Now enterprise insurance and an insurer buying loan.
Enterprise insurance you there.
And you can frata there.
And na make me say contractors no more friend na every nipa back one. How can we live in a country like this?
Ghana yes talk in Securities and Exchange na o control.
Yeah.
Okafa Alfred Ogbamitete. No, I need deputy war data bank. Not all.
You see?
What is this?
You see? I don't mean I say you can't be you go that's all this I don't know. Eh? We so we are not na kwakotra. We so we are not na kwakotra. Che Madam for OSP. So you say na ya okoho no. Men cano But what ya? Over who say yes. As so woso do hono said yes so didi wo mo na odidi wo mo no. Hwe wiase mu aye we wo ho. Obi ohodo mu a sebe enye ne ho no wo pa nya wo. Asem ahinti. Otimi gira ne naso ene wo twia kokosi the letter. Na ya ye budget say. Enka ye nye say o first budget. We have 4 years to go. Now the way I started omenya kompo ndemba o.
I deserve. Tia
say kompo.
Tia media according what Jinudi was go 800 meters. Started bra. Your course first lap because I can go.
Hey, at least
4 years.
Monka say okay, omo first budget. Ye hwe the way a ebeko. Okay? Ghana for adwene nko bibi so. Now 2017 the president Akufo-Addo take it over. But now by 6 months. Now on crack crude. That
No.
It's a record here.
Oh, I know they say.
That John Mahama buying a war reserve.
Crude.
Ebetima power all our thermal plants. Amianya light is out for 6 good months. I was there.
On giant 3 days.
3 days.
Walk at 3 days.
3 days. So giant 3 days. They now
They're not war machines no moon dear. I don't know what. Say don't know sanas yanya referral 5 hours.
Only some say 3 days. Sorry, I get here.
And soon moving pina.
Dabi. Who's almost failure? Ebia say a failure. Ebia beteki. Yefani say 2 weeks and I say me dim say your no. Me the madre ebia 1 month and I say 1 week. No ma failure. It is a no san. Nature say reserve I wo no. And then there 5 hours. Now man for say na mo say 5 hours. Adedin that's what enkania no monche asem na say. Eti so betimi gya wo sa de no. Me say one say o say chairman Sabonso kasa. Wo say omunim say elections no be lusu. No omunim. Wo say peni bi obeka che say MPP no omunim say wo be lusu elections no. No boboa. But no more try ahwe say
ebia bibi betima asesa edunti ana omanja akire ye no
yes but them
edunti ana omanja mo akire ye no oh ade crude no kra me ento wo ba ya ntikane na hyase dundum mi akase wo de dum so aba we ma ye nye oye ya na yese ni ne kai ka ho but yese ni pa dwen nyankopo adwene so on ye no wo de akoma pa eye ade a nyankopo hyira wo de akoma bone eye bibia tese ehun aketua obedan ubenya eti be there this budget I will tell Ghanaians say let us embrace it nursing training more allowance ebe flow teacher trainees ebe flow bibia ekoso adwadifo omo hwe taxes ni bi free so omo hwe se nnuama betima toto yie ama bibia akokama ne yebeka kire finance minister so ne say one work hard na port honom no womo entimi empege forex no ma womo ahanti exchange rate no ye fa ne say 50 no adwadifo amode mo ba no ebia ye pege no ebia 12 cedis amamo.
Oh no, but that doesn't say we are going to work towards reducing the exchange rate.
Yes.
And that,
I don't know. Yeah. But before then, no, immediate young betty maye, ebia for the next 6 months. Okra unyama ba, and ebia exchange near 15.
Okay.
Yeah, the amamo 12 for the next 6 months. Seba for mudia, then ya review. So when you know, what we are, in fact, a boy the phone, and she or no qua would him say, oh, I didn't that 12. It is a 12 CDC, would him say, Beshepo containers, be say, Sikase, and a maiden, Betria. Yanisa, a beboa. So far, so good.
Yeah, maybe series now and Fabels now talk about a gold board now buying a diabano. He said, one we are gold in cotton abroach in the quay. Mo amojiji Ghana gold na mo se mo de gold for oil say then I come with them ho no cotton
cotton
very so simple gold so ho no ade ya na me ko wa boy o gold in the obetu wo de beto dem but so person wo ton wo ye dem wo de be fa kotoka
and one no
oh there to go you kromo hen ni dondo baby big na bon
no no
na wonim secret bi o mo de fa so kotokwa o anya se meka
no da atwen
aha
eti se no aya gold no fa kokoton mo da da mo ye gold for oil magigi gold na gumu dem helicopter bi as a blue and color bi no ekwed na kwose aba no mache helicopter no so ye hu tu kwa ye hu ba ye hu gold no mo koton so betu dey for gold board ko hu na wakwa akoton a ho na abeto samia
but captain
when him say ni public brain so do music to gold
egudem
you know ata o hia pa budget the big push first year ka 10 billion at first na hwehwe ka the 3 billion aka that big push or a transformational or transformational na won grofi on we go na national health insurance it was get my health insurance there san Ghana yenye sekari ni de bohan ho ye wo bra obeye
no budget da ma ye wo se de bilum ye kindergarten
but asamba kwa me ka kire NDC appointees ni say wo mo ndwene se wo mo be ejadin
yes
asen say wo mo benya wo mo
wo me den
wo mo beja edin
so mahama is for legacy
wo hu ne ate no edin esen say wo mo benya wo mo sabe office wo na wo te ne de o kakra wo de betwitwa wo ho de ebeba men konko ye ne te say ya nom nipa ba ko
se se mu kromo mu kwa district assembly mu kwa district assembly the sikoro ko hon common funding
do you ko he
mu ko mu kay mo because not the power is going to the district.
Yes.
Okay. But Afrifa-Mensah has declared that 80% of the common funding on this assembly.
That's right.
Asante Regional Minister our studio ha and the anopay. I think say in the Fourth Republic, he's the youngest regional minister Ashanti region. And he ordered the youngness and the vibrancy Ayira Ashanti region no or the Beba back. His name is Dr. Frank Amakwohene. Se papa we di Ashanti region hwamo pe apem. Take it or leave it. Very young, very energetic, very knowledgeable and intelligent. Enti Akra
Captain.
Udi ehwam apem but me hwe say we see ahase na enya ade a obedi ehwam mo. Ma me mo ache mo akwaba. Bibi aboko.
Me je so chankopo de me kwache me. Na so what to say.
Oh, eja. Yo.
You don't know me I see.
Ashanti region to say.
So far so good. I know pay my mencha opem so me am na utum for say tutu. Na mencha me ofa ne mpanifo e Ashanti region na. And His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Mahama. On the Finance Minister. All my kruma yede.
What's say?
All my kruma yede.
Kruma yede oh.
We come show.
Celebrate kruma yede.
And em say ibedru nkramem ha. Na oman na kon hom abosem aye oman for to stand for ori at forcing. Or the batudwa concerning a budget emra kwai so no e was ye be kaima Ghana through parliament ehu how oman sika abai no ebe spend no. Na enra me betena mu parliament house so bi from the start to the very end. Na wutie ensem a honorable atforcing edotutu dwana bibia na nchen utimi say the budget reflects His Excellency Mahama, how honest he is, how truthful he is, and how inclusive our person in the government we and ko obi a wodi campaign na chibia no wutie budget you know wutie campaign no and our kai campaign nsem a His Excellency Mahama kan a utimi say campaign nsem a Ghana for eso mu nti omoto aba e de my His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no eno ho adwuma pepepe na obeyeye enra e wo parliament house no nti matietie pa cause bebre so manya free from no church budget no bibia da na kwa mu a Asante Mantema list a me ye regional minister wo hodie o maso mu yi a yenim se ebebo ma kru fa ntoma pefra
on the budget today honestly and me can say it's not because me pe Mahama se wintra and as to force ye me kru mu fantina. But in this Fourth Republic, budget we ni Kojoba redu. First budget as a finance minister, let's say. But we could have Kojoba redu the answer.
I reflect with the hopes and aspirations. Mr. Mami be frame. You have a campaign now. Ni bebre. I say, oh, NDC between free SHS. And this budget, Mami abro what hold 10 or so tea. Say I'm passing NDC between man and interim. Now, no can just say Kotumbo is on over free. I'm an any candidate. And over budget allocation for free SHS. Way more than the MPP can normally because you identify problems on where person is solving. And there was this care call and you do need to solve especially on Madianism. If you may catch your man and say, one, and crying we SS now, also Motuasu. And this SS school fees no crowd and Pia, and then I just say university, the and tertiary university. And as part of your campaign, say, near catch and say, oh, first year no. His Excellency Mahama promises to be free. No, so as every more rem, I buy 1 million the cake and budget we are making provision for a first year tertiary students are o kwa wontu ahwe biom no so how you say ya manobi o ha bia no won san
na then mo ka say kamo be between 250 to 300 million Ghana cedis papa ma so 400 million asamo de bebre be ka ho
say who assess the number of students are enter tertiary na a double because of say ya bie SS no at that level.
Okay.
And to hear any projection now, you see old figures now, you may get it wrong.
Okay.
Because number not addable. And you percent, your movie, your percent crown baby SS no marker that level. We need to make sure say maybe access to as many as possible. And until you increase the budget, you know that CBT cover for Ubia. And again, persons with disability, almost the just first year. Omumbe free from level 100 to level 400 all the way through tertiary.
There can be
for persons with disability. Omodie no. Enye
persons with disability no can move. Obi an near fra. Obi oye ba fine. Sir. Obi a oye emum. Obi oye mum. Obi a na swasi. Obi ni nyina omo nyina fole. Achachafo nyina. Obi a wo say sabi on to say you betu etumurika kwabati bibia from level 100
to level 400
because so be we invest and you free for them. Wow.
Ebi so na mamefo ne yekọ kan no mo e worry say ebi on kra mienu baako e wo talent opese osua a skill nsanodwuma baako so wo nimdie opese oto an school so do ko ni school no ko ni free a de opese ka eno osua nsanodwuma ono kro be wie na dwuma ready. What are we doing as a government to support them? And they say one sakrano every year says opese osua nsanodwuma they introduce what we call the National Apprenticeship Program. National Apprenticeship Program, the trainer say, you have a master's for no. You have a 3 hour credit in Sandia Mom, a credit in Chakapreba.
David. I'm not going to yeah, true. And Ramete, but my Mimbusao. Aqualana Okosuye Jumano. So Okosuye Trio, Adepam, and go for friendly fitter. Well done. Carpentry. Now. And in England, captured under National Apprenticeship Program. And in Kuala Lumpur, a joining the Sicano and the master bed in the Betia. There was a man no, if you dear or the best here a Jumano, to be able to support them. And as a comprehensive package and the National Apprenticeship Program, and the budget has provided for it as well. And it's a grand years as no so school, Bazu, and you are catered for. Said the way and compass on your gun and he went to school into no. I buy no uniform and as you will be a bed one that. So if I understood you correctly, the way we SS or co-invested, I buy it. I'm on one free. And I don't say we SS or co-invested. So if catered for, Obia will free SS bracket. And the English catches where we SS. Baby, this will be a 1 number so baby. Ha. So and near my where drafted People's Manifesto, His Excellency the President, who had the campaign now, or you taught almost 3 or 4 times before election period campaign and Kasa. Yeah, drafted manifesto, you share all the organized groups, organized labors, community leaders, stakeholders to get or more input so far as your manifesto is concerned. And these are issues that emanated from the people. And you capture your engineer friend the People's Manifesto. No? And if our People's Manifesto are resonating with the people, overwhelming support, we shouldn't throw that away and do something else. It will be because will follow campaign who say the same things are Ghana for some penal, and only attribute cost to it to make sure share or minus Kasemwa ever covered in the Timiabua. Adebakoso no di hunhuna timamufo bebre nursing training allowance, teachers training allowance. Say help Mahama budget free education, budget nursing allowance, budget teachers allowance. Yes, there be. Yeah, sir. Yes, Ghana for bo. And the past year from Mahama ya trofo. For nursing school be I kept encouraging them say continually support His Excellency John Mahama. Now on to abanamano, nursing training allowance, teachers training allowance, for Yansanka. And pass your fire Sanka. You are making budget provision for nursing training allowance, teachers training allowance. And you see, and your parliament house or no leader, say by 2028 now, or sooner than a micro elephant, or sooner kitty. It is because Ghana for ebe who baby no Canada. We can no move na Ghana for part. There be a boy MPP for more percentage and promunya in this election. No, these 3 pillars: free education, nursing training allowance, teachers training allowance. This and no more trump card and no more use in this election. In a year free ho. Ebiom. Now you have campaign. You say a mabunu edumasem no form youth employment. A higher dream power. Over Ghana around 14%. Asante region number around 16%. Okay. A bit higher in terms of unemployment than the national average. Okay. It's here coming na shame of new crime say you have creative job avenues to support them. Over to say Ashanti region for instance, Nipando do na person me yo mo akase djuma.
into a young entrepreneur ni sika ne startup a wode hye dwuma na se na nya de emu odu a it becomes difficult sustaining it. And the campaign no a manifesto no we came up with an idea say why not ubenya foto bi a ubetimi di aboama omo epese eye omo adwuma no ubetimi di asi omachi eban. And we were youth manifesto no my the policy by a friend adwuma policy. And the adwuma policy all it seeks to do is say what start wa adwuma and now the national apprenticeship program where we obese wa start wo de uhia container uhia niema ebetuma boa no atumi agina as an independent business owner. Adwuma policy no you are making provision for it again under this budget. E de enko ba se wakọ suansa no nimo na wi oba betena nchen debi usuansa no dwuma ni wi a obewie no na adwuma policy no so otwe wa ebe boa mo atumi start up in order say obetumi anya bibi to do again emabunu na say wa ha digital skills no obia obabunu bia at this age bia nim how to use phone, how to use laptop, how to operate same and all that. And most of these institutions also they are moving into as it were AI and all these digital space. What we decided to do here say under the youth manifesto near promises say training 1 million coders. Said there institutions here and kwada ebe with IT related works no ebetumi absorb you na faster. Under this budget also that's how provided for same under this budget. The of this budget here assembly members are omu ahia de no omu sufre time bi abeko campaign bia omne hold the local government all the way through to districts, municipals and sakranaba friends metro no to even talk about RCCs even to move up. If the base of your local government is not well catered for, what will happen there? Uberi na ya die ene niema omunya as a candidate ever moving into no. Unim say wo ye adwuma but you decentralization no na akakra. His Excellency John Mahama or your engagement make I pay for your bas and mantem. Your organize assembly members nyina mo hia mo TUC. TUC nkomodie no. Ni nyina most of them centered around say omu hia a bit of an allowance a bit me aboa wo mo. Na omo so madwuma no say fuel say be make it kitchen also on the air crew na omnuzomu bibi kakra dia enen. His Excellency John Mahama the share manifesto no. And the by 3 months in assembly members are omokoto council of state elections make I be ban office. Omni baba share oh na mo share bo de na mo ntwei budget ni beba na be solve no problems na. Na me share that kura ni that's what say e be feature in this budget. Because I thought say oh e be twen na ya stable kakra as a government and sana man e dia ba. Nyankopon nya adom enra atoforcing or kai budget no duro na we making provision for assembly members in across bosumi bia no we will be able to support them. What I'm pleading further is a unit committee for no as I call no we should be able to make provisions for them as well. Yeknya yesa nyema we nyina na afi obi a wosom Ghana at any level of your governance ni bia no obeyi tumamno ya adwuma de aboa magana afane ntuma perfect. The captain enra de kroma ye de pa betting tax ni my bet super bet 1x bet to 4 de no kra de eno de ukodu so okay sports for no buy am kan wan say oh you can wan say any e-levy ni na tinto ba me de ha me ne say Muslim are all actually in intro and rap. I mean, how can you be called Muhammad and be lying through your teeth like that? Oh, my worry, you know. At the end of the day, no, say, Abino did not institute, never collected anything betting tax. All can not Patrick Boama John say, hey, wait. Oh, okay, what I say? Go from more there, Captain, the NSA I say, me doing campaign, na me more of the youth campaign. Na me name boys, get two boys near Tashisha pa. No more I say, unload this cano. If you mumo so, at the bar, or if you aviator, a wallet mo. Now one chibi, now one janisa, one sticky, one odds beer. Now one say, you say, crona, ya wow, the another two wallet room. Eddie about Momo wallet money as atom. There's one problem now. And the Amazon person loading 50 cities. Now I'm sticky. I was all lady few Momo. Now they call platform. So, as an Abia would be also loaded about wow Momo and San what me. And the man say, my loading 50. but manya odds biana oh I'm not in a good mood in man manya she me say load it back to me momo wallet say 50 cedis na call na say ba ni asate on the next word di yet wo usika na de call na wo sa de ba no ana asate wo ho tax and you see na omokasa yaudie because omo frɛ ba ko bi aviator say wo twi na plane ni tu a
o say
I'm just so victim.
O say
omo frɛ ba ko bi aviator and I plane and the plane no more time no and the longer the plane stays now to mistake it do no the more now we see can so emu yedu.
That's right.
Na ebi o
betting
no
o friend
aviator omo timi do wa na udin kaka na fe odi sika kese aba be shim odi sika kese be shim na fe plane na ya no to say you to us won to o so check kakra bo view is hypertension baby I eba mabnu no so no aviator no ka ho bi aviator ka ho na da obedi kakra bi no wadi ya di baby o wadi kakra bi no aka wo be yi na nka dia nka wo dia ya obi bi no na ba na satem and ne say yet wo monti former finance minister nbe gina Mike Anima no ka otherwise no obi a na obi abu office no I mean why ade no wanye ni ya many am before na nka after budget reading we no anka mba be gina Mike Anima kade medical yes me fa Ghana for acho say one e levy omo de bana Ghana for yes entiase omo ye ya akoye town hall meetings on it just to convince Ghanaians say e levy ni ade papa ana e levy buy revenue kra na omo pe omo kra na omo anya no so kra omo say nya series of advice say omo ensa reverse enfi ho omo enfi ye ekotwa cake omo ye na fi omo na sa de e levy buy na sa be promise ye see a to abamo mo a ade no mo na ade bae no obeyi afi ho omo kure ya sa bae sa say sa betting tax no omo promise omo manifesto say see to abama Dr. Baumia obeyi betting tax na say afi ho enti ade a finance minister say nka wan farmer no ade a wan farmer de na sa ebeyi free wa bra e be sa beto aba ade aba so you see Ghanaians any a democracy ba bi edru no we a leader now one honest with them one. Ombe udi no man house. Ebroni dura na ya panel show. Now on say the Excellency Mahama ne governance wait here no. Ye de ne bae ana ye yi ni free so ana ya sa de number. E de say the wogu akoba. Me ye doctor yi. Nkofo bi o ha. Edru ba bi e de pa otimi kra call off. Na bi a why resuscitation na gina ne so for hours and san back. Obabaka and yema wo hu here on the other side of the world no or your person will share be with you and all that so for no follow our lifestyle pa they change from a lot of things
as a when
you no ebi na his excellency Mahama say na sa akonya na oba the second term
as a koya
they come when you radida go for the second term was say of any legacy term it na nia brepa say obe free so a the 10 no ebe end no e was say eboni din e di edimpa e time ni din ho and he started on a very good note. The reason why I'm always say yeah na appointees no so yeah now captain now nipa no oda wani odi wani no na ya wo be den na wo as an appointee wada and then so kra nipa 16 na nko appointee nyame aya wadnom na out of nipa bebre eboa ma party ba power 16 no ko kan ho now do wagi adwuma na da kokoto bibi say say dey na wo amoa nipa no appointee tu hu ye say ye boja ne na mu na ye hwesa adwuma ne nkoso a na because be say eboa his excellency na ono so the appointment say why no one should have any cause to question why he made a decision to appointing A or appointing B to whichever position. The captain, adwuma ne dey e go so.
Honorable, you free budget no kakra. Who could do regional coordinating council who dey?
The regional coordinating council near campaign no. Na di Kenya ntie say dey ho etie no. Enema bebre asai wo ho. Nti even before ye be appointment, so I'm your regional secretary. The minimum regional chairman be call after handing over. You call on the 9th of January. And you call near call here baby president free and can buy Cobetna. Baby regional minister Betna na akwakoya afise film sem. MC home videos, home interviews baby e de babontin. E as I speak with you. Me fie na e kwa adwuma no pa bia. President Amatim abaho ababehwe ye de report ni bibia so de amana they are waiting the direction said they be able to put in place. And so far issues ni there edoso but ye di jawa ni there so and you still have to make sure say adwuma ne bekoso. Miria office on 29th of January na was say Krura any penifo dead anon yetimi tu omososa na was say departments ni sectors be relevant for Ashanti's development biano ebe kwa ebe fa so a ye no mbehia ni age the right briefing and be able to act through. So I'm say the first few weeks maybe that was exactly what we were doing. Aside from that, if there were any problems that came up, we needed to intervene as early as possible. And Captain, you see, Region Nation 43 MMDAs, you appointed mayor, you appointed DC, you appointed MC, and you are Regional Minister now. I was saying now keeping an eye over all the 43.
And over there, what do you say?
But there's a 43. And said the memos and no more BBI spending and it has to come to your table for you to peruse and sign what sign your mom approval and diako. One if you have a visa makakoto. One now but try and kind you now co sign BB. I dear bet you know. Nay I can boom iron of a pay. And the dab one day the chair. And you have to do a lot of readings. And what I also noticed is some of the contracts, some of the contract certificates, Ibano. If you want to and pictures, come. And so back form no. Na juma na nkasa entisa. And the first contract certificate you buy, name say the shop, wokumewu. Me tu car. Eko hwe juma no ba bia wa ya kodru. Any ba bia car obesi sign certificate no. And for man, me too, sir, na mono. Afe, ma who say contractors ni bia na nko start adwuma kra share adwuma se in areas o makoji sika no dada na say e was nkomo ye edeba no. Because when him say oma anya no the certificate ni begum animu a, I will take an extra step in making sure say I will then see it is helpful for your progress as a country. Ya ma wadwuma no aye na adwuma no hwate. Meti region no makomu nyina si. Anya hwe me wo boys wo kro bia so. Ana hwe me sa wo party structure wo kro bia so. It is civil service ni mu gra na obeye wadwe say obeye she envelope mu dia say omo a. Me party fo na say bibi kobone e begu me president ani mu asem. Metu na so mo makokohwe. No more picture dia ba be confirm me adwuma kra obese me sign ho certificate man. And I have adopted that because anasa na me ko approve certificates. Na da achi bi e be kona ye hu say minister ko approve certificate bi. Ho adwuma no any from one. Everybody go in the but I mean, taking is our first instance of going down to check on the work done before signing the certificate. Now, boy, Mount Somashare, Jumasi in some key areas. I'll keep monitoring. DC is name mayor bar. About my pressure not to do an answer from. Said they be able to me, ama my more of the coordination and supervision instead of being on the field directly involved in most of the things. But I think so far so good. May I branch into. And now they are a so in any way.
You have videos being near my free coordinating council by how bad the place was actually located. Describe it, my.
I saw, and the place is in a sorry state. Presidential villa, a good minister's residence, a good. Said I'm initially.
Says what I
Miss me if you feel a cordima. In the 6 weeks, I might have money if you feel a call. And me sorry, papa. I just remember say me do it when my elite. They said they okay, no. Say I said you know, you have to be on time to make sure so bit more clear as many as possible. And the acha by 7:20, number 50. Acha by 7:45. Na me wajum na me train. Oh where I me call you know. I realize civil servants no do now ha. Ebi wa oba adwuma at 10. E wo be true no as afio. And do any productive hour they contribute to government business now. So what I decided to do is say at 8 I will be there, assess Nipa Dodo Aba. Mama I'm chief director and I'm an explanation as to why I'm Juma. First time I call a Juma. I remember clearly. Now as at 8, Nipa na Juma no moon 30. You are staff strengthening now over 117. It needs a half of crown, even one a quarter and now by edwuma me start is ayi na fe ebu abekọ abesan ni ase ni nipa be 80 wo omo aka akiri no na omo tinya explain so e be cleaners omo ba no papa be prepare na omo koyo be hwim na emu dodo na so eye no kwe and the same thing na mayor with most of the district assemblies so a ma visit nti as residents what there e ho ayebasa say dem di ka kan no ya set up committee no do omo findings no more report nema me na key omo check amaye how the place was managed in the past so that one we will be able to learn lessons from there and be able to hold people accountable for almost stewardship to the country. Two, I'm proposing how they want us to redevelop the place so that at the end of the day baby a president ba instead so be dank for hotel any de care can hono be baby a ya buy ne dia na one atumi ensure president security na say atumi ensure say car you born hotel so no eso beti 3 years so mbekuti cost to niema o pese ne e wo ho no say be ya ye behwe na atumi adjust because initial ayi o mo ye de buy no now we sika o mo di eko wuramu with regards to renovation kwa na ne ka oputi up a new structure kra ananka so these are all issues upper we are juggling it and I'm sure say we are entry biano they be up with a roadmap and they be fixing RCC hono.
Wow. So say the wase kra.
Oh, you say the wase. And the first thing I had to do was to restore security. And the whole security zone. What I realized is police for now was saying come a war on duty hono because they hono gu yen they were not coming. Until watchmen for so was no so to mother. And they say okay one your police roster at every point in time there are police teams our patrol e ho ni na yetimi class how we na never ho bebrebe ni ana ma hwaye to say kwaye ni na every ho enua na so block some of the areas no matimi aboam yetutu every ho baabi a na mfuturo so age afa within residents nya de na mama workers na clean ho nyina and they say no ba how ben say compare ni previous ni na different. There's that still, even after cleaning the name, after making sure say all these are done, no, you can still send the president in there. The president about Wojeno, Honawodeno, Equakotna. And almost every week, be out. Me, I'm making sure say me see for more. Echo said the honest. Say be a BB say yeah, I'll be able to get to know on time and be able to intervene accordingly. And the captain, as is in 70 there, I arose them.
And see a one na. Asante Regional Minister.
And to mobile for no. And say, oh, Presidential Villa no, Kofo de CS, His Excellency Donald J. Kofo. And new bungalows never no green ones no, and His Excellency Muhammad Mills a time no see. And also, and this time in Nana account now. Honorable Peter Anafit now. Honorable Erikopuku et now. And with honorable Samosapo so now. His Excellency John Mahama now so now. In 2012 to 2016, or maybe I no 2017, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia bet now. What's in year? And if you 2017 but 2018, the no more. And after 2018, no more abandoned space, no. And a mama who and you all the way to 2020, no be anyhow. After 4 more, no 4 more for RCC.
It's now no nothing. Also to the fee.
And one, I'm say Foreign Affairs Ministry. New building bureau. State House. And I'm say one and I actually be our work.
And say Ofi. Regional Coordinating Council Kotina Foreign Affairs for
Foreign Affairs done. Now Foreign Affairs done is become 170. I say I them papa when me of our new cranty. Me person no bonnet be be.
Yes, but come here say yes Canada be.
We are na the pressure koba.
Debbie, yes, no, yes Canada what dey be.
In the State House on also. SMBB.
The SMBB saying
it is not in a good shape. One and we are only year prononia the admin na can carry. I'm an pro. Oh, videos now. Me share that. Me call first day in office. Be I mean team no call. No more video. Be I come. Me say dem go for it here. Air condition back. Okra no where adwuma.
Baby on one regional.
Baby I no mo see ho no tie no State House no. Air condition back. Okra no where adwuma ho no. E dan na nkasa mu. Nzo to e ba ho.
Ah, say you.
I doubt say no was at or honor so. If you are now or more kind of size, be a quiet so ABR just to say something to represent something. But then I can more of an influence and say, may make an achieve. But in fact, the management of state assets, Works and Housing Minister by Nancy on this issue. When say government works, government housing, all these fixed assets, and say to a larger extent, or jurisdiction over it. And I have advised him because I know as nominee my uncle of Volta region minister so kasa. And so on so is the same problem and so that we can get a very strict measure to make sure say Obia a day government fixed assets based on Zambian. You have that responsibility of one keeping it as it is and handing it over in a similar condition to a yenipa obabetuno. It may be what I did say RCC be a mambetono monteki stock miss me team private almost take stock no be keeping it there say next time the baba can any the order than me kwanda man nhwe am man sekura no mantimi anyai anza mo ne krono near who and I appreciate what I came to meet and what I am adding on and what I will be handing over to Nipa or Baby Dimadia. In fact, said your managing space very problematic and because I can't hold seminar we are Kuno Crabbo.
And they came.
Being kind of credible. Captain. No. What's a fireman? No one know. And then when we are I just want to because they are telling a hard impact. But I'm sure some repayment they are we will get.
Who then I'll be to me near number one far. We are in Coquility.
And to a team from presidency, our presidency President His Excellency John Mahama say you about 2 times after we be presidency. At the time you will be an opportunity to review the issues in the region on top of the issue no. We local government networks minister Omoswaba. And they've indicated commitment to making sure say they better fix these problems. Budget in control budget yaba dem puntu oba you know. I approve your parliament I will engage them now how we better restore normalcy to the place. Kejetia we have a lot of issues and say mayor ni hontino adwuma ni na beguma bobo no. Because me ba no na within a week now wash about 3 times. And said there na a whole problem so akwakoye no na akwakoye to say of an anti-nkuru no na ni mi aso so ayedin because yentimi nwie phase 2 no enti yentimi nye decongestion kase bia wo ho to bring down the numbers wo kedita phase 1 no. In the first thing yes I'm afraid contractors no to find out more challenges anti adwuma was enkoso wo na enkoso and on my who say funding problems near the day sika command dedicated say nkan fanya phase 2 no em say sika no aban no farm mine and all that it one am afraid local government minister it mean di home come no say the eka no and no crucial market any Mampontin market sa market in some way key marketer a das and Maya Kumaso beyond that no so crano yet me bed decongested Kumasi central Kumasi no na tinyabwa. And local government by minister by or by any ye sat na kejeti anu subio crew from no subio na Mampontin market no subio tiketi ade aduma sha ase a omoto aso kejeti phase 2 no and you be na contractors no obia e wo ho crew from market akodi contractors bebre nsam because some of akofo na sha ase o sha ase no abai bia ba kwa ya transiting between a lot of contractors and what I need to do master meeting the contractors so that from a perspective no I'll be able to review contract what really the details are because Rambo style now the JJ the command new person now baby you know we are now the court now judgment debt if you want and I want to know the exact contract terms then I'll be able to see those we should terminate and those maybe what's your fiscal more na omutimisa ko hon jenu so you go home Mampontin market and also review ya and also engage some few contractors a person monsa and ko na kedetia phase 1 na ya wie no sanitation na a problem electricity issues so na a problem or kedetia ho na and access to the place and a fire issues. These are the 4 key issues. What you notice here is almost 2 accounts, escrow account and an operational account. Escrow account near the commodity rents, no war na ekogum. Sa account numuna emu percentage, ya dibetuya loaner. E was a ya di repay credit ya project nankasa. Sa percentage ni bi ne de ma nananom, sa percentage ni de ma credit KMA. Sa percentage ni bi nanke de erane ye credit ya no. Ni asa di bia insurance. Unfortunately, after we open we say no since 2021, omo insure credit facility. They BBC.
No. Hold on. KJT and insurance. So what happened to the money now? Jomami Chato was said they insure KJT.
Almost 15 million. I'm not blown on other things.
Mahama Eko Jessica say find insurance 15 million Ghana cedis no. Mama find insurance. The KJT market in insurance. Boy.
Enti amasa award the contracts amem omo with cleaning, with security, with these issues. Enti what happened is escrow account no omu di musika ma then Ministry of Finance dey so embago control sa account to say omu ntimi nkomu bio. And omu ntimi nkomu bio no so no omu say na sika wo mu no matimi dey running space no. And what they do is bosumene so a na electricity bill aba no ma jina the phone so age bill no omo bu obi atua wi a is there some this can go to light bill no dom this can need to contractors na omo subcontracting these issues no with no eka edi am say last week you obi ko twa light no ti na no na me wo ye be so na no you ha no mo frame say kedeti na the asinyi omo twa omo light no I had to engage the ECG regional boss and have a payment plan with them say be enti enti bi am beti enka ye be a huge shake up e wo KJT ye be a huge shake up o KJT because ye tena ho ma ne man ko so see ya ye be wi no na ye de nsa akohye dem from enti captain moti enka was akwade so na ma hu say ye pe KJT na ye die ense de ye kono ye anya bibi amfa ho a ye be wi no na nka ye hu yanka so de na kachi enti ye be shake ups kase pa wo KJT after that animu no if you see how many now mobile stations honnom load the chimanka sunyane car cars dana me call hona na me instruct ma omo clear ho eti I want to thank the regional police commander enti ene o ma clear zoo animo ha ka about 2 of the other entrance hono so was yet me clear said the be ya if BBC kran say stampede nkofo free mu aba omo bibia ni ho be obstacle amom ebi me so omo erect containers around KJT new containers are air blockade ebi o so mutwa fence na de aye ho na nsa na omatimi operate store na captain amaka se menchiro edadifo no makwa say minus say do me o madwumani abai bia ba omo party cards mienu enti
what's it? The
minus. These 2 groups are we don't have to say, but who is buying no? I'm more party cards, you know. And the NDC bar, or NDC bar, or MPP. But the other children, the other children say, a minor, no claims were NDC. No, Bujan say, mining a Duman wire for how longer? Day to the man every day back into the previous government. You know, I don't hear this in then now to me quite share forest at this particular point in time. We the what about station? Zoo and Muha. You council your NDC. Who do party card by time Ben why station of Dumano? Who was at the time why station of Dumana? If we date back. And what I have noticed yourself. Among said there is a change of government to be as well just to find cover. And we end this in here. I'm not sure so in Bonia my excellency no mama. So you will do the right thing. And I end this in the person you know I do my campaign who bray and send a Ghana for who your mobile ba. You will not do things that would jeopardize the chances or the future of the party. DSA. Say oh KJT. Now we are dear MY ye money enim NDC color. If ni MPP color. Every be my office. And I can say, we NDC ninti kawaye container kase si wo near down this wo. It is not done anywhere. Ope Juma Naya as a government, you might other opportunities, other avenues. And I just want to send this out there. So we'll be a OT. We all NDC card, or MPP card, or YDNDA, Yaba government. We are there for Ghanaians. And it doesn't matter or political affiliation. If you are doing the right thing, we will support you to do the right thing. But if you are doing the wrong thing, don't think say you can hide under political colors and then be left to do whatever pleases you. It my instructor say containers only no money fuel. There were what do you call additional honing among class are containers in fuel. Senipan also NDC near one NDC in Jamia, Namia Regional Secretary, Mabaya Regional Minister. Now I call you near my dear and was here ever brave. And I'm just putting in the said bear more high in Cofor Banners or more castle home, the NDC for no more years here. You will have that perspective, say, as it is now, MPP da form, and to be any best way, DB or because of MPP. Obia Ben address will Johnny, no other seeking for NDC Cobanti. These issues no one settled. I'm sure say we should be able, and the shake-ups here by KJTN, I'm sure say we should be able to restore some decency. I was our space, no. Na intimi more, na ye mamenum edwadi intimi koso.
The insurance no yebeye.
Yebeye. New management ba enche. Njomo tax no. Many finance ministry so I engage you on the escrow account. Say be on bit me embargo no ni ahwe. Because if you say omo started running holding na Canada omo ntimi ntua capital bampo. Ana nanke ya sa sika no. Ana mpo growth market redevelopment na hinge on sika nkombena or escrow account no etimi dia no ayensi achi buy up sika dia boa growth market no. Any even phase 2 no. Aha. Enti phase 1 no as it is no na akoye basa no obi kura ma sika for growth na phase 2 a no odetwe no. Na captain there ya ne say nyema ya kan ho asem nyina wo mo stronghold. And the man almost stronghold cry and some baby. And regions academy, panic. But you see, as I kept saying, say, only what you did to her. And my way you didn't know any address or packing in your Marco, a bushing for one sana, obey the air will fear as you kuna, by the air will fear. And maybe Tinasima, a sentimentum tint, and scope called the chair or monafin on bed, said the ampa. And they are catch. The air say, a buyer of a bar or dimpuntu bebre Asanteno. And then as I say, Mahu say, that is what the region is looking for. The region has gone beyond partisan politics. They are looking clearly at the Oba Wadim Puntuba. Yes, I can see that say about 7 seats in the region, 33.1% of votes. The Asante Yamaya 2024, and this is a new power. And until now, young person about to Asante region national. We go dia and I said, you will in document Nasia and Tonku. KMPP and Kessin can do move from Macrano. A baby dream one more thing does cocoa chile one more. A just a way end this now, but not 1 in a year. They can equally show you the red card. You can perceive a red card or Ashanti region. And into near Bra. Irrespective of how bad MPP Amanaye in the past 8 years, no, we are ready to restore and make sure, say, the garden city no ever found in Tomapa as I dear friend.
I don't have any question to ask again.
Thank you.
Your final words.
No, so Obi I would say me be no pain. Moamoba, more fast. Honorable Dr. Frank Amakuni, Dr. Nkrabako Saka home. Na Madam Wasi, I'm say the past 6 weeks I'm starting more year Jumain. Me man ho kwai no, mutimi ba e de afutuo ene adwenkyere ba e beboa ma Asante Regional fa ntoma pa e de afra. I start here sana monyi Mazatia me too. I'm saying Monim. I don't intend to relent on that effort. Until my doors are always open. You be a yard dream, poor a yard dream, Babuama, Santia Fan into my pay friend. And no, now, your papa is excellency John Mahama de Mabase, Mimrame Nema, Ashanti region, and Fan into my pa in fact. What I can assure the good people of Ashanti region is that we're going to work hard to make sure, say, as a region, no, be a far region in Puntu, by education. About health, about agric, about infrastructure, roads. Any BBA de a juma bread to Mamophobia. And the Yamadeswa, Maria Madri say, Medimuna together, a bayer na buana regional cononym. na de animunyam abrekurura and His Excellency the President. So my doors are always open, and I want to continually seek for more support. Any more paibo. Say mo jamo badum na yin na intimi mo ana kru no intimi fa ne ntoma pa efemfra. Madam nyina ma se obi a onya abre na wotie anopai. Na me hwa mo.
His name is Frank Amwakohene, NDC Regional Secretary. Mpacho when you resign.
Enti omunya my directive say party executives are in appointments near
resign. And I said
directive be in my
and anyway, whether you resign or not, in Tia Ghana Mbrabia. Mbrabian wait here, and it's no problem. His name is Frank Amwakohene. He's a medical doctor. And